Double fall, double dump, Bitcoin and dollar. You wanna know why? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news fun on the right today. Bitcoin going south, going down. It found support in the $25,000 range, which is okay if you thought that we need a correction in order to keep on growing organically. Also, you can see that we have that support in the time that we broke the triangle the last time. We have a red one here, we had a green one here with this bull flag just after the golden cross for Bitcoin. So maybe this is all just good and we are going to keep on going higher, or maybe we are going to go south because of Bitcoin not doing what it has to do, which is just going opposite to dollar. Remember, we tell you all crypto news that dollar and Bitcoin behave opposite. But yesterday, dollar started going down as crazy, but Bitcoin went down too. This is not good, especially since our last video, we told you that maybe dollar was going to do something like this. So we need to take advantage of that and go the other way around. Bitcoin, come on, you can do it. Action stock market, they did that. You can see everything in the green yesterday in the stock market. So why Bitcoin wasn't able of doing so? Here you can see Standard & Poor's 500 going higher. Also from China, also stock market going up. Gold was going up, but Bitcoin was going down. So what's going on there? Here we have this tweet from Kaleo telling us that Bitcoin has do better than Standard & Poor's 500 in 55% in the last 2 months. So maybe now we need a pullback in order to believe that we will keep on doing the same thing, or maybe we are in a very bad situation with the monetary policy in the world. Well, I found this tweet from James Lavish. I recommend you to read it all if you want. It will tell you about bonds, treasury bonds in United States. And the last auction, it was a disaster. Allegedly, that means that probably investors have no faith now in treasury bonds in United States. That affects dollar, of course, and then the investors wants to go to other assets like the stock market. But why not Bitcoin? This is the answer we need to feel today. So just type a comment below and tell me why this is happening. Also here you can see if we compare Bitcoin with Ethereum, and both things are going down. And remember, in the last video, I told you that maybe we are in that situation where Ethereum and altcoins go up when Bitcoin goes down and the other way around. But you can see that everything's going down, but the stock market and the gold. So that's bad today. Remember, if you want to know all that information, watch the last videos. I told you everything about it. Smash the like button there. For example, that racing wedge for Bitcoin, maybe we really touch the top and we need to go down to around $30,000. It might be so. Here, Ali telling us that when Bitcoin price climbs but network growth slows down, it's a red flag. It suggests the uptrend might not have enough momentum to sustain. Also consider that transaction fees on the Bitcoin network are now at the highest level since ordinal frenzy back in May. And as we are in the middle of the month, we can consider if we believe that Bitcoin is going to have something like we did in 2015, or maybe you believe that creating that 19% close, it's just a dream, a miracle, and it's not going to happen. Tell me in the comments below, do you think I was right with the video I created about the two red months we have ahead of us? Remember, you have it here in this Benedict Fed Bitcoin thing. So go there and we'll see if I nailed it again or not. And I bring you today this very interesting information. The idea comes from CryptoCon, and it's that the cycles are moving, they are shifting to the left by 6 months. So we have that 4-year cycle, but the dates are moving since this point here. We change the cycle, and you can see that now we are in the blue year. The blue year is the year of preparation. We have accumulation, preparation, new all-time high, and bear market. So we are in preparation. We will be in the top at the end of that blue part, and then all-time high in the red year, and then we start the crypto winter again, where we are moving that to the left by 6 months. So the idea is that every cycle top at bottom has come plus minus 21 days from November 28th in their respective years. But now those are moving, so that means that in this cycle for the all-time high, we'll have it after November 28th according to the cycle theory, but according to this new theory, it would be not November 28th, but May the 11th. So again, this is mostly our idea that we will be in all-time highs for halving time next year around April, and then April 2025, the all-time high. We'll see about that in the future. We'll see if this theory is true. If you believe you are late here in the game, consider that in Spain, just 5% of Spanish population are investing in cryptocurrencies according to Spanish bank. So that means we are still a lot of way to do. Also, this study resembles that Spanish people do not understand basic economy terms like inflation, cryptocurrencies, etc. Good for the young people between 18 and 34 years, because those are the ones that are investing the most, but still a little. So maybe we have to move from Spain, maybe we have to go to Hong Kong now. They are going probably to approve a law so that we can go there if we have some Bitcoin, and we will have citizen for like 7 years according to this article. So you can see some countries like Spain just forgetting about this technology, but some others like El Salvador, like Portugal, or like Hong Kong, for example, they are trying to get people to go there and have a life there, so that the wealthness we have goes there to those countries. Remember also about the halving event and how we had 3 paths. It seems that we are following the yellow line right now. We will follow that. If you want to watch this, remember this video here. We wonder about the next halving path. And now it's up to you. What do you think is going to happen with Bitcoin? Are we going to find support in this point in $35,000, or we need to break lower from here? And what about Ethereum? We told you our prediction for the month. Here you have it. Go to the channel and watch it. And now going back, we broke back below $2,000. And remember past videos, we told you about the possible pattern of the double top, also about that golden cross and the possibilities we have now. And we are still in that triangle with the legendary line. We're still following the path from the moving average of 100. Everything you have that in past videos, watch them all. The market trying to be in the green today. The most important was in the green, and we are greedy but less greedy today. We are in the 60 right now, not 69 anymore. That's sad. The bubbles mostly in the red today, and the altcoin market cap trying to find support in previous points. So maybe this is just a retest and we keep on going higher. Let me your opinion. What about Solana? The same thing. Are we going to find support in this very important point? It was resistance in the past, or we will break it and have bad news about it. Do you know that Uniswap has now an app for Android where you can swap your cryptocurrencies? If you were using Uniswap, now you can do that in your cell phone. Your cell phone, something you have to use a RAND app. this amazing app where we are getting 5%. We have a lottery you can't lose. And I'm telling you today news, they are having an AMA, so you can ask everything you want. Just go to Instagram and type your question there, and they will ask you on social media also in that AMA. It's going to be on Thursday, 7 Madrid time, so do not miss that out. In the stories, you have the link to YouTube. I'm going to leave you also the link in the description below so that you can ask there live anything you want in the YouTube video. Okay, so very nice for roundup. And remember, this is probably the last time I tell you this. And I know nothing, but I know a lot. So if you want to take advantage and have 3 free months of Roundup Pro, just register today. It's free. Do it today. Tomorrow might be too late. Don't tell me later I didn't warn you. And about other partners from Fun on the Ride, thanks to them, everything is free for you always. CoinW, you have the link in the description below. Register. You do me a favor doing so. Well, they just partnered not just with La Liga in Spain, but also with legendary Andrea Pirlo, is the CoinW Global Brand Ambassador right now. So congratulations on CoinW on that growth. Go have a look with the link I leave you below and take advantage of the bonuses that they will give you as you are a rider in Fun on the Ride. Also, I told you everything about that exchange here in this tweet, in this YouTube video, where I told you also the price for 1 Bitcoin after the approval of the ETF. Something very interesting. Do not miss that out. Very interesting as this technology I found. This woman, she needs to ride her bike, and she has this very interesting system to travel with her child. Amazing technology, all but amazing anyways. And what about new technology? We start today a new section at the end of the videos with a stupid thing like this thing you can play with your couple or maybe with your child if you have. It's a balanced thing. Well, if you find this kind of Tetris, something of your interest, you can buy it using our link and you will help us. Thank you very much. And I use this to give you a reminder that from 17 to 27 November, you have Black Friday on Amazon. So just think things that you want to buy, you will find them cheaper for sure that day, that time, that promotions. So also, if you use the link in the description below, it's okay. Whatever you want to buy, just enter with that link and then find in the search box whatever you want to find, and you will helping us. So thank you very much for doing that. And now for the cat section. What about this guy that will hack you anywhere you are? Amazing. What about this one? Just curious about this new technology, the crypto world, and finally, after some tests, enjoying it a lot. What you say, this guy just inside the box. We riders, we think outside the box. In the box are those 2 cats just resting a little bit after all this information. And what about the Lion King here roaring, the cheeky coiner that wants to be one day a billionaire, or maybe even just find financial freedom? Why not? Let's just pray for that. There's no more time today. Watch the next videos here in Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!